Welcome to English Language Easy Steps channel. In our quiz today, we'll learn about the use of prepositions of place. Enjoy your time and feel free to give your opinion in the comment section. Prepositions of place are words that tell us where something or someone is located. In fact, they help in describing position, location, or direction in relation to something else. Common examples include in, on, at, under, above, below, beside, near, behind, in front of, between, across, from. Let's dive in. The eagle flew, space, the fields. Over. We arrived, blank, the cinema late. At. About a quarter of the country is blank sea level. Below. The dog is hiding blank the bed. Under. The school is blank the post office. Near. I couldn't find the small village blank any map. On. My parents live blank a big house. In. Paul met John blank the park yesterday. In. The park is blank our new house. Near. I'll meet him blank the library. At. There's a lot of dirt blank the walls of the room. On. My uncle's got a nice house blank the sea. By. The sweet smell was coming blank all directions. From. I leaned my bike blank the wall. Against. The children are playing blank the garden. In. The mirror is hanging blank the basin. Above.